Right, we're here, Matty Reynolds' place. Picking up the first dude of the crew. All right, we are off, mate. We are off. Isn't that a good thing?
No.
That camera's on.
Oh, tell ya.
All right, we're going to get Mitchell, Annis Brown, and yeah, she is on.
Yeah.
Look at that sunrise. Look at it poking through the fog. Oh, it's going to be a good day.
Fucking, I love fishing the Sunshine Coast, man.
Oh, what a heat again, is it?
Green, man.
Yeah, northern New South Wales is great. We're not doing that again. We picked up Mitch. We got Matty. We're off. Bass session. Right, Liam.
Right, Liam.
I'm talking to the camera.
Shit, man.
Oh, like, yeah, the river's that way. There we go. That's why you always press record, man. You get all those bits on camera. G'day guys, Liam Fitzpatrick here. We're out bass fishing with the boys. Mitchell Annis Brown there, Matty Reynolds. Just getting everything rigged up. We've got some nice water down here. Just going to chase bass. We've all got different baits rigged up. Matty's got his chumper. Mitch is throwing the bloody crossfires. I'm going to throw something. Should be good. We've got a whole day out here. So, yeah, it's going to be massive. So, here we go. I think I'll throw top water. Why not? Set your drags, kids. Set your drags. Just running a little loose TLC 2000. I think I got 19-pound braid, 12-pound leader, D-style reserve. What I'll probably do is put this straight in the tree because I'm not real good on spin gear.
Oh, that braid of mine.
Oh yeah, that braid slowed up a bit there in the end. How's the anticipation? You think if there was something in there, we'd have raised it up by now.
Oh, yep.
Oh, Matty.
Oh.
What happened? Just pulled.
Just pulled it.
He's jumped it. I reckon we've frothed this pool. All right, let's make a move.
Well, there's fish here, and they are hungry. Yeah. That's a great sign. They're not
Yeah, I'm so scared of doing that with my rod.
We'll just go to the next pool.
Oh, you bastard.
You're right, you go. I'll pick it up at the bottom.
Oh shit, yeah, good one, Matty.
What have you wrapped up again?
What have you done? Oh, there's going to be a fish here, man. Oh, it's going to be a good day. No doubt that bloody Matty Reynolds kid will catch something in a second. We told you that bloody Matty Reynolds kid would catch. What do you got, mate? Nice little bass?
Yeah, good bass, guys. Good bass.
You look precariously perched out there, mate.
What? Yeah, it's all about the positioning. He is trying to grip me. Shit.
It's going to do you, bro.
Put that there.
He's all right, eh?
Yeah, that's a good bass.
Oh, he's
easy.
a good 35 forker, man, yeah.
Yeah, nice. On the chumper.
He's a good one.
He came out straight from that log. Just straight underneath it. And just whacked it. Got to be happy with that, eh? First one for the morning, eh? That's a good fish. You.
Bloody Matt's bass fishing. Who brought him? Looks enticing, but there's some dog on the best log.
Yep.
Matt, you're killing us here, man. I was just coming back to try and get out this way.
Another one. Oh.
Did you wear a treble? Oh, we got him out.
That's nice. That's two out of the same hole. There you go. He's just on the chumper again.
Chumper.
Not as big as the last one, but great sign for the day. Working out to be a real good session, boys.
Oh, Jesus. Give us a break, will ya? Alright. Throwing this guy. Now, alright, come on, give me a bass here. This is a bass. There we go.
Just called it. I just called it. Beautiful, Liam. Yeah, that's a nice bass.
Get out of there.
Awesome.
Flip him.
Yes, mate. Good bass.
That's a start. There's my starter. Yes, finally. Yeah. I did there, and then back in there and bam.
Yeah, I thought one would come out.
There we go, my first one of the morning on the chatter, the old faithful chatter. That's the little hula chat. Yeah, nice little bass. Good condition on him still. Yeah, I'll take that. That's a start. I might throw a lure. Oh, no way. It swung out, flew up and did a loop around that tree, that branch in front of me. Matty Reynolds.
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
He's on there. He's a good fish.
Look at where you are again.
You still brick?
Yeah.
Like, I don't want you to fall out of that tree, but please fall out of that tree. You rookie.
Yeah, your reel's all backwards.
If you pull a fish out of there after all this,
Yeah, that's going to be amazing.
you've done well. You feel him still?
No.
No.
You want to hold that?
They come off?
Yep.
Yeah.
That was a good fish, man.
Oh, dude. Oh, shit. I just KO'd myself.
That honestly was a good fish.
Did you throw the start of this? At his head. He just spooked the whole pool.
So sorry, man. So sorry.
Just like casting behind him. Yeah, remember that pool when I fell in and then I walked across the log and then you rolled past it and we're like, holy shit, this thing.
Oh, yeah.
What are you doing, mate?
Alright. I just got stuck on the tree.
This guy's kidding. Oh no.
Yeah. Oh, man, this is deep.
Hey, why are you wet?
No.
Come on, yes!
No. Yeah. Okay,
All I want and all I need, all I crave is a good pub feed. Oh, going back. Shit. Oh, it's right under there too.
Just waiting for a whack.
Goodness. You where do we go up to my property later? You can see how many red belly blacks you can see.
Yeah, I heard there was a lot up there. That's what Carl was saying.
Heaps up there. Heaps. All right, Attenborough.
Yeah, look at that. That's so sick. So he's mauled
Yeah, we're
1, 2, and 3 up there.
You can see the patch of the
And
sawdust.
there's a sawdust.
That was pretty cool.
He's been at it.
I'll give you that, David.
That's pretty cool, man.
Can you play a flute with it?
I reckon you could probably do some type of music.
All right, so I'm back throwing the old faithful hula chat, just on that Lew's TPG 1H. You've seen it before. Everyone asks me, what rod are you fishing? It's just the custom 6 to 10 pound speed stick light. There'll be bass in here. Watch this. Here's a bass. Oh no! No! I just did this full spiel, like, yep, there's a bass in there. Watch this, kids. Here's a bass. Bam.
Yes! Sorry, Liam. I'm going over the
I'm
back.
going over here too.
We're racing.
It's off. Mitchell's finally got one on the board, son. Oh, I got sticked in the face.
It's a good one. Yes, Mitch. He was working it and working it. Nice.
He did that 3 times before he found the hook.
Had a good poof, man.
Off the top.
That's sick. Good fish, Mitch.
On the crossfire. Woofed it off the top. We could hear it from upstream.
He hit it, missed it, hit it again, missed it, and I let it sit there and he ate it.
Silver bullet. Oh, nice release.
Wicked.
Welcome on the board, mate.
Yes.
I was starting to get pressing otherwise.
I'm going to get wet. Oh, shit. Oh, there I go. Oh, there I go.
Oh, you don't want me to... You gonna hold your rod?
Yeah, should be right. Oh, shit. She's a bit cool. Oh, oh yeah. Come on. Don't get wet balls. Don't get wet balls. Yes, I didn't get wet balls. Yes.
Told you it looked shallow in the middle there.
Oh, I'm not out of trouble yet. Oh, it's deepening up. Oh, there we go. Oh, yep. Oh, yeah. Yeah, right. I got wet balls.
You know how you've got the bend your head up to go the...
No, they can get up, but there's no mud, there's no silt. Up Creek.
All Christmas Creek.
Get in there.
How the fuck they got in the maroon, but...
Same way they get everywhere, just irresponsible fucking... Yeah.
Oh, belted. Yes. Oh, and again. And again.
Tree.
Yes. Oh, it's a cod.
Oh, beautiful, bro. Beautiful.
He just kept tapping it.
That's a beautiful little fish, Liam.
Yeah, nice.
Nothing like a bit of blood.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, bro. Did it on ya?
Look at that thing. Gorgeous, man. That's sick. Oh, look at this. Nice little Mary. Gorgeous looking fish. These are fish we stock through LAFMA. We put a few thousand in the creeks each year. That's gorgeous. Look at that. Just ate that little hula chat. Don't know what it was. Just kept tapping at it. But yeah, once he ate, big flash of green. So cool. Just licked it.
Oh, yep.
Definitely just...
Easy release.
It looked too good up in there.
Yeah, that had to be a fish.
Yeah.
That's why I was casting up there. I thought the exact same.
I hadn't even had a throw up in there yet. I was waiting until everyone moved on and I was going to. I was just bouncing in there and...
Oh, you work that bit and I'll just go right to the...
Lady grass there. Yeah. That's him. That's a fish.
That's a paddling.
That looks nice.
You bet your ass that's a paddling. Man, I can't wait for it to get picked. Yep, yes! Yes!
You know what that is?
The jig bite! Yes! Oh, man. He just slurped it up. Yes!
Oh, and it's a bass.
I love the jig bite. And typically it's a cracking good hook set right in the roof of the jaw. They don't come off, but yeah, I just want to fall off now.
That's a nice bass, right?
Yes, man! He just crunched that.
That has to be one of the better fish in the morning too.
Yeah.
They're always better quality fish, man. The better fish eat the jig.
Eat the
Look.
jig.
Top of the jaw, bam!
I'm gonna have to get it.
Yeah! That's sick!
And caught it too in under that blady grass. So
Man.
just where that clean water's running in.
Look at that. Look at that thing. Oh, I love it. Love the jig bite. Here we go, the first jig eater of spring, man. This thing's been a long time coming. 6 months, I was just saying, since I caught a fish on the jig. Picked the spot, bit of current, undercut bank. He just picked it up. Classic jig eat. So cool, man. I love that. Look at that. Awesome.
Nice steady
Yes.
release too.
I got one there. Ah, yeah. The best thing about this jig shit is that it's unlike any other fishing you've done. So it's all new. The way they eat it, the way you fish it, it's just, it blows your mind, man. I'm going back in that spot, man, see if it's got a mate.
Oh, yeah. It looks so nice, eh? It does. That looks like the primo spot of the hole. Food. Oh. Got him.
Yes! That was just swimming away with it, man. I didn't even know.
You get another one?
Oh!
What? Bullshit.
No, he's on there, but you'll never guess.
Oh, I know what it is.
Oh.
Turtle.
Picked him up under the...
Yeah, he swam through the line or something. Sorry, buddy. Oh, come out nice. Oh, he's got his claw in me.
Like the body.
Timmy! Oh, I got the claw in me. Ah, there you go.
He does not like bad.
Man, I thought that was a beast. There's got to be more than one bass in here, right?
Oh, yeah. I'm just flicking without looking. And
Oh, he had it. He had that. As soon as it landed, it started swimming out. Yep. See that shit? Had it, and he swam out, he let it go, and he come back and ate it.
Yeah, Liam.
The jig, man, the jig bite, she's on.
Oh, good bass.
The summer's gonna be sick.
Good bass. That's a cracker, mate.
Bam!
Yeah.
Another jig eater.
That's a solid fish.
yeah.
And that's in that spot. The boys peppered that. I moved up. I thought, nah, I'm going back in there. Look at that.
Beautiful
He ate
fish.
that twice, man. He picked that up and I missed the hook set. He come back and grabbed, or his mate grabbed it, but these guys, they do come back and eat it. There we go, another one on the jig. It's that Lose Mark Crush 1, 7.5 to 1 ratio. Just picks up that slack quick as. Just crunch that jig, man. Oh, I'm pumped. People go, oh, bass, man. Nah, creek bass, eating the jig. There's nothing better in my opinion. That's madness. Quality. Yes.
You.
I love it, man.
Yeah, we'll go work the narrowing up.
Yeah.
He's tiny.
Top water though, top water. On the crossfire. Top water.
I think that's a little perch colour. There's a relatively new one, only got released at the last expo.
Very nice colour.
It's the first time I've fished it actually.
Yeah, nice.
Sick, cheers man.
Yeah, I reckon this is going to be deep.
I'll tell you exactly how deep it is if you want. It's that deep.
Okay,
Could you imagine if I lied and just stopped it? Really, it's 10 foot deep.
I'd be dirty.
Yeah. Oh no, you're good, mate. It's only 3 foot deep.
It's deep.
A little deeper.
Matty, hold still.
No, bury a crossfire in his ass. Oh man.
So much unusable footage.
Yeah. You need to eat a dickers. You're not yourself until you eat a dickers.
Oh yeah.
Good times, man, good times. All right, that's the end of that session. That's the morning session done. Boys and I just stopped off at the pub for a bit of a feed. So we're gonna have a bit of a rest with this midday heat. And yeah, gonna film the Arvo session. It's gonna be a total separate vlog. I reckon I got enough footage in that morning to make one. So that'll be the end of this video. You know, like, subscribe, you know, comment, anything you wanna know, hit us up, guys. Cheers for watching, catch you next time. You're not yourself until you eat a dickers.